Yes. Good morning, Anna. Today we are going to discuss about the multiplication of matrices problems. Yesterday I explained the multiplication of the matrices between two matrices. What is the order of the resultant matrix? And the types of matrices I explained. One is the nilpotent, idempotent, invalidity, and periodic matrix. About some few examples we discussed. Now coming to today, I go to start the exercise 3.2. Later I explain the exercise 3.1, that is the addition of matrices, everything I completed. One more time, if you want, you can check the video. YouTube part 1 matrices, part 2, part 3 is the addition of the matrices, subtraction of the matrices, scalar multiplication, and trace of the matrix, equality of matrices we discussed. Today I am going to discuss about the multiplication of matrices. See, one matrix A is I will take A, B, C, D, E, F. 2 rows and 3 columns. So this order is 2 by 3. I will take the B matrix one order. So P, Q, R, S, T, Y. This P matrix order 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 by 2. If you want, you can take one more column. No problem at all. That is your choice. I will take some other values. Some X, P, Q, R, S, T, okay, A, and some B here. So now this is a 3 by 3. Now you want to find the AB. A into B. A matrix order is what? A, B, C 2 by 3. B matrix order 3 by 3. Now coming to AB adjust means in the first matrix number of columns equal to second matrix number of rows. That means number of columns in A is 3, number of rows in B is 3. Both are equal. Then resultant matrix order remaining. First matrix order 2 by 3. You can read as 2 into 2 by 3. Write this, you can write into B matrix order. What is the B matrix order? 3 by 3. Both get cancelled, that is 2 by 3 means that order is of the AB is 2 by 3. Like that. So resultant matrix AB order is 2 by 3 will get. See that multiplication. First A matrix A, B, C, D, E, F. Second matrix P, Q, R, X, X, A, T, Y, B. Row into column. First row into first column is first row first element. First row into first column is first row first element. A into P, AP. Plus B into R, BR. Plus C into T, CT. First row into second column. First row second element. A into Q, AQ. B into S, BS. C into Y, CY. First row into third column. First row third element. That is A into X, AX. Plus B into A, AB. Plus B into C, BC. Now coming to with respect to second row. Second row into first column. Second row into first column is second row first element. D into P, DP. Plus E into R, ER. Plus F into T, FT. Now second row into second column. D into Q, DQ. Plus E into S, ES. F into Y, FY. Next second row into third column. D into X, DX. Plus E into A, AE. F into B, BF. So resultant matrix order you have 2 by 3. This is the way to multiply between the matrix. First row into first column, first row first element. First row into second column, first row second element. First row into third column, first row third element. Second row into first column, second row first element. Second row into second column, second row second element. Second row into third column, second row third element. About the multiplication of matrices, some conditions we discussed yesterday. Now today I will show the problems. Now coming to exercise 3.2. Coming to the next question. Find A square where A equal to is given. A square means A into A. What is the matrix A is given? First row 4 2, second row minus 1 1. Next again A 4 2, minus 1 1. Now you have to apply row into column. Row into column. First row into first column is first row first element. 4 into 4 plus 2 into minus 1. First row into second column. 4 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Next, second row into first column. Minus 1 into 4 plus 1 into minus 1. Second row into second column. Minus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So 4 4s are 16 plus into minus 2. 8 plus 2 minus 4 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1. That is 16 minus 2 is 14. 8 plus 2 is 10. Minus 5 minus 1. This is the A square value. Copy that problem. Coming to next two. A is given I0, 0i. Then find A square is they asking to find. A square. A square means A into A. That is I0, 0i. I0, 0i. Row into column you have to multiply. I into I square plus 0 into 0, 0. First row into second column. I into 0, 0 plus 0 into I, 0. Next, second row into first column. 0 into I, 0 plus I into 0, 0. I am writing direct step. Previous problem I written like this. First problem, and for understanding purpose I written. Now I am writing directly. If you have doubt, you can do like this. Okay, na? Now coming to second row into second column. 0 into 0, 0 plus I into I square. I means here imaginary number. I ante enna imaginary number. I square value is minus 1. Since in the complex number it will come I square value have minus 1. So this is the minus 1 plus 0. Minus 1. 0 plus 0, 0, 0. I square value have minus 1. I square value is minus 1 and okay, that is in the complex number secondary lo vastundi. Imagination cheskunnam. I ante inside root negative value just kaadu kabatti root of minus 1 they taken as a I. I square value squaring on both sides. I square equal to minus 1. Copy that. Yes, we discussed yesterday. A power n is 0 means A is called nilpotent matrix. Of order n. Order n is given. A square is given 0 matrix, null matrix. That means A is a nilpotent matrix of order 2. A is nilpotent matrix of order 2. Then you have to find the value of K. Now coming to A square value 0 is given. That means A into A is 0. Matrix A is the 2, 4, minus 1 K. This is the matrix again is substitute 2, 4, minus 1 K. 0 means null matrix. Left hand side you have 2 by 2, 2 rows, 2 columns. So you can take right side also 2 by 2 null matrix you have to take it. If it is right side, left side you have the 3 by 3 is there. Right side you can take the 3 by 3. So depending on the left side order, you can take the null matrix also right side. Now row into column. 2 into 2 plus 4 into minus 1. First row into second column. 2 into 4 plus 4 into K. Minus 1 into 2 plus K into minus 1. First row into second column. Minus 1 into 4 plus K into K equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is the 4 minus 4, 8 plus 4K, minus 2 minus K, minus 4 plus K square equal to null matrix 0, 0, 0, 0. You have to find the value of K. So two matrices equal means corresponding order is equal and corresponding elements are also equal. I will take this k value, this element I am comparing. I am comparing the second row, second element, first row. Second row, first element I am comparing. Minus 2 minus k equal to 0. Minus k equal to 2. K equal to minus 2 is the answer. Copy that problem.